To remove the speaker from your AirTag. So it takes pretty much a few steps and a very small amount of tools, basically usually just your fingers or something sharp as well. So first, you're gonna have to take off the cover of your AirTag. For example, this is your fingers. Just go ahead and twist the cover up, and then you should be able to put it out like so. You'll be able to see the battery. Then after this, you're gonna make this little incision, not really an incision, just to open up the plastic in this part. But of course, first make sure you take out the battery before doing anything else, to avoid any danger stuff. Take that out. I'm gonna raise it for now to show you that there's no more battery. Then use anything sharp like a cutter or a knife, but be careful with using something like that, of course. Then just cut the, not cut again, just make an opening over here since it's locked with a plastic lock in the underside of the AirTag. The inside should look a bit something like this over here. As you can see, it was locked from the inside with three little pegs or locks in this section. So over here, one, two, and three, I suppose. So make sure you open it up so that you can open your AirTag. So the next part, one of the last parts, you're gonna have to take out this over here. That is your speaker or your amplifier. It's usually just glued on the top, so just scrape it off. Be careful if you wanna reuse it in the future, and just take it off as so, and just reassemble the actual AirTag to back to where it was. Put in the covers, put the battery back, fill your back with a nice unspeakered AirTag. But that's pretty much how you enter or take out the speaker, I mean, from your AirTag. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.